So, hi everyone, my name is Benedict. I am a architect who's working for a German Microsoft partner, and in today's session we will be covering the topic of how to integrate your Power BI reports into your existing Canvas app. There might be different use cases in which this becomes handy, like for example, when you have some data in your apps and which you would like to enrich with interesting reports. And in today's session we will be covering how to do that. So we will have, we will try out two different ways to integrate your Power BI report into your Canvas app. One is to embed this report as part of a dashboard, and we will also try and embed the whole report in our Power BI file. I have prepared a little app as a showcase, which is about time tracking. So in here we have stored different time tracking entries, which all have a from date and a to date. We also record the number of hours which I've worked on different projects, for example. And I've already prepared another screen, which shows a blank screen for now, and which is connected from each of the time entries. And now we will be looking at potential ways on how to integrate an existing report into this app frame. For this purpose, I have created a very fancy timesheet report, which consists of different visuals, and I now have the option to either integrate the report as a dashboard or the whole report as such. We will be starting off with the first way, which is the dashboard way. And for this, to do that, we have the option to use this little pin icon for each visual on my report. I can just click that, and I will have the option to give a new dashboard name. I will just go with my fancy dashboard for now. I can click pin. And then, as you can see, it has successfully been pinned to a dashboard. I can click on this button to go to the dashboard, and you can see that I have now a dashboard which contains this single visual on here. And now in Power Apps, I have to do the following. I need to go to the respective screen where I want to integrate my report. I can now either choose this plus button on the left-hand side, or I can go with the insert option on top. Can then just search for the Power BI tile, and it is drag and drop to my app layout. I can then search for the workspace where I published my dashboard. I only have one in my case. Can then check for the dashboard and also select the tile. And as you can see in the background, the Power BI visual is loading. I have it on my screen now, and when we go back to my start screen and then now preview my app, I click for one of the entries on the little reporting icon which I've created, you will see that my visual loads successfully. So I can enrich the existing data with my Power BI report, but now this is only a small tile, and as you can see, it doesn't really look ideal. So I also have the option to integrate the whole report, and to do that, I will go back to my Power BI, click on File. Oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong window still. Let me go to my workspace again and to my report. And in here, I can go to File, click on Embed Report. I have now the option to select Website or Portal. I will do that, and in here, it auto-generates a link which I can reuse to integrate the report on my app. So I will just copy this link on here, and I will go back to my Power App, click the tile which I've already inserted, and now to get the report into the tile, I have to switch the properties. These can be found on the top left side. I can go to the tile URL. As you can see, there is already a URL which is pasted, which is coming from my dashboard. I can now replace the URL with my report URL. Please try to not delete the double quotations, because these are needed to put the URL. As you can see, I will also maximize the window. I now have the full screen view of my report with the different visuals. So in case I would have a more fancy report in here with more interactive visuals, I could gather even more insights from my data. So this was the quick tip regarding my my visual report integration into Power Apps. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. You can contact me via LinkedIn. It's my pleasure to be here and looking forward to many other interesting sessions.